Round 3. Diet Cola versus Velcro. At first glance, a showdown between a Diet Cola beverage and the greatest fastening device ever known looks a little uneven. But they share more in common than we think.
It's like this, baby.
They both won our hearts in the 80s, a time when we wanted more sugar with less calories and more walking with less effort. They're both sticky, and they both make really satisfying sounds. But which is greater? Let's look at it practically in an everyday situation.
Me? Not again.
Advantage Velcro. Let's not forget their cultural impact. Advantage Diet Cola. Great taste. Attaching yourself to a wall. Cool refreshment. Attaching yourself to a wall. Two of the greatest things ever. But which of these greatest things is greatest?